Editing music? How? Let's learn it together in Final Cut Pro. First, let's add some music to our project. So, I grab this one clip from my other screen and move it to our timeline. Alright, there it is. And here's our song. And similar to DaVinci, this little exclamation part is how you fade in music. So let's play it again from the beginning. And that's how you fade in the music, and the same can be for the opposite end when the song ends. And this is where you control the volume. And you can control the volume here too. Next, let's splice two different parts of a song, similar to what I did in DaVinci, but in Final Cut you can make groups. And let me show you that. So I have these two parts that I have pre-selected. So I'm gonna cut here. And move this closer. And let's play that first. Almost there, but I'm gonna edit this and let me make this into a group. So when I make this in a group, the clips will always stay together regardless of what clip I make longer or smaller. So I'll give you an example of that. See? So you don't have to move the clips back and forth, as Final Cut will just keep them together while you edit it. So let's do it again. And that's using a group to help you splice your clips. Let's say you want to turn your volume down on a specific part of your song. If you click on your clip, you just can't click the volume slider and move it right or left, because that will just turn the volume down on the entire song clip. In this case, you want to use keyframes. And why would you even want to turn the volume down on a specific part for your song? Let's say if you want to talk, keyframing will be very useful here. And to do that, you would just want to do Option and click. So let's say I want to talk during the start of this clip. Actually, let's go here. Let's just play this back for you first. So I'd want to create keyframes here, and you want to create 4 keyframes. One where it's going to start, another where you'll have the volume down to a certain point, and another keyframe where it's going to hold it down, and the 4th keyframe to bring it back to level. So I have my 4 keyframes, and here I just turned the music down on this part. So let's play this back, for example. Let's say you want to end your song anywhere, and let's do it, align it to this video clip with the guy walking off. So let me just end this here. I want the song to end in this specific location, so I want to do hold, and which I'll do is Shift H. And you can see on the music, it just created that hold gap there. And we're going to delete the part of the end of hold where the music is starting up again, because we're not going to need that. We're going to delete that. Next, I'm going to go to Effects, and under Audio, you want to look for AU Reverb, and then add that to your clip. Once you do that, you want to go to the parameters and open them up. Instead of default, we're going to do Cathedral. And this dry wet mix, make this all the way down to 0. So once that's done, let's just play this so you can see how it sounds like. It just ends abruptly, but we're going to do this where we're going to keyframe this, where keyframe at the start here, and when it ends, we're going to put that dry mix to 50. So it pretty much rings out. Let's play that again. And to make it sound nicer, maybe we could fade it out too. So let's do it again. And that's how you can end a song anywhere. That's editing music in Final Cut Pro. Learn with me and try it out. Subscribe for more learnings and what should I learn next. And if you want to learn more, watch this video.